started work on the tailgate on our $500 restoration with Chevy S10. So that's kind of what it started out with. That's actually already wet sanded with 1200 grit. 1200 grit on this side with some turtle wax rubbing compound, Meguiar's Ultimate Compound, and Meguiar's Ultimate Polish. It's just all buffing it by hand so far, trying to rejuvenate what's left of the paint on this poor little pickup. All the time in the Arizona sun, really ate this paint up, compounded with a lot of neglect. So we're gonna try and make this little pickup a little more comfortable and a little nicer appearing to drive. Big improvement, not perfect, still some work to do, but man, that looks a lot better. Ended up hitting it with a little more cleaning compound, Ultimate Compound, some polishing compound. I don't know if it came into view. I had loaded up a sander, a bunch of 150, and I was just ready to scuff it and spray it with primer and call it a day, but thought better of it because I just kind of want to see what this is going to look like, see what can be achieved. So it doesn't look good, but it looks a lot better. So I'll just keep pressing, see how it turns out. Finished product. After sanding and buffing. Not perfect, but oh, so much better. The hood and the roof, still the worst parts. Man, this is a lot more tolerable. I think next step is to do something about the wheels and headlights. All right, got the headlights installed. They actually point the right direction. No more cross-eyed headlights, and it sure cleans up the front end of the truck.